Hi there, I'm just going to take a quick look at auto chat profits in this video on this new ClickBank launch. I work from home full time doing internet marketing and affiliate marketing for a living, so it's a really excellent way to earn income from home. And so hopefully my thoughts from someone who has been doing this for a number of years now will be of help to you. If you click the link below this video, in the video description, I'll give you the link to my current #1 system that I recommend to plug into right now. It's a complete done for you turnkey affiliate marketing system for promoting those high paying, high commissions digital products. So it's an excellent system to check out. And in this video, I just wanted to share my experience in the whole industry and talk a little bit about what auto chat profits can achieve. So if you're more newer to this industry, haven't seen these product launches come and go over the years, I would like to think hopefully my thoughts and opinions on this will be of help as you do your research. Basically, the simple 3-step process that I focus on with affiliate marketing is you get a simple website, and that website is just a simple one-page website, normally a lead capture page or some sort of landing page that you send the traffic to. You do promoting on the internet, send visitors to your one-page website, and then they will usually either click the link or enter their email address, often a lead capture page, and you will build your email list when they enter their email address, and then they will be diverted to an affiliate marketing product, a sales page, some sort of ClickBank offer or another offer, and you will earn a commission around 50% or 75% commissions or so when that happens. So it's basically that 3-step process of driving traffic to a one-page website, building your email list, and diverting people to the video sales presentation of a high converting affiliate program. That's the same sort of process you'll do in auto chat profits, and they will give you the turnkey websites to host. They'll host the turnkey websites for you to use. They will expect you to buy a domain name and an email autoresponder service as well, though, so there are small additional costs to the system. And the one unique twist to auto chat profits is the chatbot. So it's the same basic 3-step affiliate marketing process I use and recommend using, but with a chatbot added into it. Now, the benefit of chatbots is it's a more personal approach. So this is kind of a chatbot in the bottom right hand corner here. If I click that, it's kind of like a Facebook Messenger chat platform will open up. And this is an automated artificial intelligence style chat that's opening up for me. This is a sort of chatbot that will be on your website, asking questions, providing special offers, answering questions. So it's all automated by a robot, but it looks like there's a human being behind the screen giving information. It's almost like this, your own personal support staff, 24/7 on the website, answering the questions of your visitors to help them buy the products so you earn commissions. And that's what a chatbot is. So, and they're asking you questions and you can respond and interact. So it's just a personal approach to add into your affiliate marketing. Now, earning income in an automated way is excellent. It's really cool. It's what I do. But when you first start out, that little bit of a personal touch can really help, such as manually emailing your leads, not just relying on the automated follow-up, manually sending people an email, asking them questions if there's any help they need or if there's anything you can answer. Just making that extra little bit of effort when you start out to have that manual interaction will help get things moving quicker, get those conversions going, because people are a bit skeptical at first and they don't just trust faceless websites. So with a bit of a manual personal touch, you can really kickstart your affiliate marketing much quicker than if you were trying to make it 100% automated without ever interacting with someone. So I quite like what auto chat profits is doing here. There's a personal bit of interaction with an artificial intelligence style chatbot without you having to manually do the chatting and manually answering the questions. So it's a pretty cool addition to the whole ClickBank affiliate marketing industry. And I quite like what they have on offer. It's quite a hyped up sales video, a hypey website. It's similar to other products such as 5-minute profit sites and daily cash siphon. So you're certainly not going to be making this big cash straight away like they're talking about in the sales video, but they'll give you a website and a simple affiliate marketing sales funnel and a chatbot. So for someone who's brand new, a complete newbie, this might well help you get started quicker than if you were trying to figure it all out yourself without using this type of tool. Anyway, hopefully my ramblings on auto chat profits were of help. Click the link in the video description below. I'll give the link to my current #1 system I'm recommending to plug into right now. It's a complete turnkey, done for you affiliate marketing sales funnel. So you get a product to sell for high commissions, you get the sales page, the upsell sequence that follows up, so you get to build your email list, and it's got a viral leverage based software built into it. So it's a complete done for you system and well worth plugging into to get your very own online sales funnel for promoting those high paying products. Anyway, thanks a lot for stopping by my video, and I will speak soon. All the best.